Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond at 231 Maddle Drive between Victoria Street East and John Street East at Maddle Secondary School for a general fire alarm. Again, that's 231 Maddle Drive between Victoria Street East and John Street East. Attention North Huron, Wingham Station, please respond at 231 Medill Drive at F.E. Medill Secondary School for a general fire alarm. That's between Victoria Street East and John Street East. Again, 231 Medill Drive at Medill Secondary School. North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond. Time of second page, 16:51:43.
Fire dispatch, number here in car 2. Page acknowledged, Wingham Station. Dispatch, mark car 2 responding.
16:54:52.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 1 responding. Charlie plus 5 belted.
Roger that, engine 1, you're responding. Charlie plus 5 belted, 16:55:14.
Fire dispatch, engine 6 responding. Car 3 plus 3 belted.
Roger that, engine 6, you're responding. Car 3, 16:55:37.
Fire dispatch, return ladder 2 responding. Bravo plus 4. Fire dispatch, car 2 arriving scene, nothing showing.
Roger, car 2, you're arriving on scene, 16:56:40. Nothing showing.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1 on scene. Charlie B command, command B mobile.
Dispatch, ladder 2 on scene. Command, ladder 2.
Go ahead, ladder 2.
Do you have a firefighter here at the key to entry if you need it?
Yeah, roger that. Send him up.
Fire dispatch, car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Dispatch, could you repeat your message about key holder? Yeah, roger, dispatch. You can mark we've gained entry. We're just trying to meet up with the construction company. We do have an alarm showing in the library.
Bravo, go command.
17:02:14.
Can you see if you can meet up with the construction company? It looks like they're working down at that Victoria Street entrance.
Command, car 2.
Go ahead, car 2, command.
Yeah, I'm at the alarm panel down in the maintenance room. It's showing alarm active in the lunchroom north supply duct.
Go ahead, Bravo, command. Can you repeat that, Bravo? You're straight one. Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 arriving scene. Engine 6, just stage at engine 1. Confirm that. Engine 6 is just staged behind ladder 2. Yeah, roger that. Bravo, call command. Bravo, I can't get any of your radio transmissions on. If we can meet for a face-to-face.
Command Bravo, is that any better?
Yeah, roger that.
I've met up with the crew on the Victoria Street end. The one gym is completely sealed off for asbestos removal. The first gym, they have been working in electrical. They're saying there's no monitoring system in there at the moment. They have no smoke. There is no heat.
Roger that. No smoke, no heat. Met up with the maintenance crew.
You want us to make our way back, go up through the lunchroom?
Yeah, roger that if you just want to take a walk through the top. Bravo, call command.
Go ahead, Command Bravo.
Just to clarify, Bravo, you're going to do a sweep of the whole upper level?
Yeah, roger that, we're working on it. Command, call Bravo.
Go ahead, Bravo, command.
That alarm going off again, is that just due for it going off again, or did you set it off?
No, we had the system reset, so it's going off again on its own.
Command car 2, it's reading the same zone, same numbers on both channels. Cause?
Bravo, call command.
Go ahead, Command Bravo.
Can you meet up with entry team 1 and get that tick and take it upstairs?
Yeah, roger that. I just got my 2 firefighters going down each hallway. Once they're done their inspection, go ahead that way.
Yeah, roger that. So the alarm's saying same readings, administration, library, and the staff lunchroom.
Roger that. Command, call Bravo.
Go ahead, Bravo, command.
What is location? Entry 1, we're heading back to the entrance.
Entry 1, call command. What is your location? Roger that, just meet back at the main entrance. Entry 3, call command. Have you gained access to the roof? Roger that, I'd like you to come back towards the main entrance too and do a sweep all around there. Fire dispatch over here, command. Just an update dispatch, we can't get the alarm to reset, so we're continuing investigation.
At 172553.
Command, entry team 3.
Go ahead, entry 3.
We completed a full sweep of the rooftop. Nothing found.
Roger that, report back to the main entrance.
Roger that, on our way.
Actually, entry 3, I'll get you to do a sweep of the upper level, like the second floor.
Roger that.
Engine 1, call command.
Go ahead, command, engine 1.
Can you bring that paperwork up here? Pull engine 1 right up here.
Fire dispatch, car 2. Car 2's cleared the scene, returning to Wingham Station.
Entry 3, call command. You can exit the building. We're going to release entry 6. Fire dispatch first here, command. All entry teams have exited the building. Source the problem to a faulty detector. Property is going to be turned over to property maintenance staff. Command is going to be terminated. All units are clear and returned to their stations.
Roger that, command. All entry teams have exited the building. Faulty detector, property turned over to maintenance. Command terminated. All units are clear and returning at 17:43:50.